Welcome back. First video of 2024 here, and we're fixing a plugged heater core. My heater hasn't worked since I swapped this engine in over a year ago, and truth be told, I've been too busy or too lazy to do it. So let's get with the basics here. First things first, obviously I bought some cheap heater hose for a couple of lengths. Get these fancy little pliers, weren't a lot of money, actually work good with the factory clamps. I'll link them below, as well as the hose. I'm actually going to start doing the whole Amazon affiliate thing. Also, I got a garden hose to 5/8 heater hose adapter barb, cheap as well. Made the process a little bit easier and less painful, and it actually unclogged pretty quick. I was shocked. I've seen some people that nothing happens, and this, yeah, it worked pretty good considering I thought I was gonna have an uphill battle here with this because of just the fact I tried previously, you know, flushing it and everything to get it working, and did not work. Now I've yet to verify that it does 100% work, but it did unplug and kick some chunks out into that bucket, so I'm assuming that we're good. I'm gonna put everything back together, top off the coolant, and we'll start purging the air out of the system, and hopefully we'll get some heat at the vent. And I've got one of them digital heat, you know, infrared guns for checking header tubes if you're looking for a misfire, that type of thing. I'm gonna see at the vent what kind of heat we can get out of this. Of course, today it's mid-70s and I don't need it, but we're supposed to have another cold snap here over the next few days, so it'll be nice to have. With that, I'm gonna quit talking and set y'all up on the tripod and get to work. So I lied, I didn't set you up on the tripod. Decided to dump this bucket out here. Just wanted to show you some of them nice chunky things here. All this sediment, that's what come out of the heater core. So I'm gonna say, yeah, that's the good stuff. I'm gonna say based on that, I'm probably pretty good. And this is why everybody hates the red Dexcool coolant, including me. I don't know why I put some back in when I did. I wasn't thinking. Everything else I've converted to green. So I saved some of it down in my drain pan under the truck. I'm going to run it through a paint strainer, and I'm going to definitely top it off with some of the green. I've had my eye on a silicone hose kit for this truck. Glenn's Auto Performance sells them, and this is probably going to be the year that I buy and replace heater hoses, upper and lower radiator. So like I was saying, that'll probably be one of the next mods. It's not going to make it any faster per se, but just for reliability, we're going to probably go with a set of them silicone hoses. Just a nice little upgrade. I'm still on the fence about the radiator. I've got a 28-inch core in this truck with F-body fans, PCM of North Carolina harness. It works. Last summer, it did run a little hot in the pits at the track, so I may bite the bullet and go to a 34-inch core and do the larger fans. I actually have a spare set kicking around here, so we'll see. But it's all on the table, but it's not set in stone. Let me get back to it. So mission accomplished. We're all back together except for the engine cover. Gotta clean up this mess. Fed it some coolant. let it run a bit. Everything seems to be good. I actually have heat. You're gonna have to take my word for it. Unfortunately, my cheap infrared heat gun from Hazard Freight there, I left it in a drawer with batteries in it. Yeah, not good. It's done. So I'll have to get another one. When I get another one, I will do a short, probably something like that, to show, hey, it does work. But from what I can feel at the vent with it running, it's great. So one thing down, we replaced the upper hose, and actually there was more. Ended up replacing the heater hose too. The one I pulled off, oh yeah, it beats that, even beats the upper radiator hose I took off. You can see that right there. November 4th of 1999. Yeah. I got no excuses. So I'd say that's laziness and just not paying attention. So that's just gonna wrap that up. Again, these are those nifty little pliers that I bought off Amazon. Those will be linked in the description below. You can check them out. So that is the hose I used. I'll link that in the description. Hose clamps, I didn't buy any. I had some kicking around the drawer. I feel like if you're any kind of DIY car guy, for lack of better words, you've got stuff like that kicking around. If not, local parts stores got them pretty cheap, right by the register generally. Next thing I'm going to try and work on here is the AC. Since I put electric fans on this truck, I have not had working AC. I've been battling it over and over, and I think I finally found a solution, but that's another video for another day. As always, I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe. We're about 1,000 watch hours away from being monetized. I'm trying to do this Amazon affiliate link. Everything I get from that stuff's going to go right back into the channel. So I make enough from my day job to survive. So I'd like to have that money to spend more money on projects and things, upgrades, things of that nature. So as always, I appreciate you.